Hello everyone, today we're going to see how to allow display over other apps on Android. First thing first, unlock your phone and go to the Settings app. Scroll down, then tap on Apps. Just tap Apps again if required. Some devices will show Other Apps menu, just select it. Now, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner and from the drop-down, select Special Access. In the Special Access menu, tap on Draw Other Apps, which is sometimes called Display over Other Apps. Just find your desired app. You can scroll and look for the app you want to enable. For this example, NA Control. Now, just enable the information, tap the app and turn on the switch for Allow Display over Other Apps, and done. The app can now appear over other apps, for example showing floating windows or controls. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.